What separates surface learning from deep learning? It's not more content. It's not more time. It's reflection and the ability to think about your own thinking. That's the heart of metacognition and reflective practice. Metacognition is simply thinking about how you think and learn. It's the skill of becoming aware of your mental processes, what works, what doesn't, and why. Reflective practice is the habit of looking back to look forward. It means asking, what did I do? What did I learn? What will I change next time? Together, these two tools empower adult learners to take control of their growth. Let's start with why this matters in adult education. Adult learners aren't blank slates. They bring experience, bias, success, and failure into every learning space. They also bring habits, some helpful, some unexamined. And that's where reflection and metacognition unlock transformation. By pausing to reflect, learners move from passive to active, from reacting to choosing, from repeating to evolving. Now, let's explore some practical ways to foster reflective practice and metacognition in learning environments. 1. Start with reflective prompts. After each lesson, ask questions like, what stood out to you today? What felt easy? What felt challenging? What's one idea you'd like to try out this week? 2. Use learning journals. Encourage learners to keep a short journal throughout the course. They can record new concepts, emotional reactions, mistakes, and breakthroughs. It becomes a map of their learning journey and a tool for future growth. Embed reflection into activities. Reflection isn't just an add-on. It can happen during learning. Ask, how are you approaching this task? What strategy are you using right now? What would you do differently next time? This builds metacognitive awareness in real time. 4. Teach thinking strategies. Help learners identify how they learn best. Do they understand more by reading, watching, doing, or explaining? What helps them focus, remember, and apply new ideas? 5. Use peer reflection. Ask learners to reflect with a partner. They can compare notes on what they're learning, how they're learning, and what's shifting for them. Talking it out makes reflection more dynamic. 6. Model reflection as a facilitator. Share your own learning process. Talk about what you've tried, where you've struggled, and how you've grown. 7. Encourage goal setting and revisiting. At the beginning of a course, ask learners to write down 1 or 2 goals. Midway through, revisit them. Are you on track? What's changed? What will you do next? 8. Use formative self-assessment. Let learners assess themselves, not just for grades, but for growth. Use checklists, rubrics, or open reflections. Ask, what am I proud of? What do I still want to improve? What feedback do I need? Celebrate insight. Reflection isn't just about struggle. It's also about recognizing wins, small moments of clarity, connection, or courage. The goal of reflection and metacognition isn't perfection. It's progress. It's helping learners become more aware, more intentional, and more in charge of their own development. Because when adults learn how they learn best, they unlock tools they can use forever. And when we build reflection into the learning process, we don't just teach content. We teach growth. We teach adaptability. We teach how to learn for life,